Today we are going to be talking about a, a topic that is quite familiar to all of us. Talking about something that we use often as humans. It has become a part of us. It has become something we really cannot even do without. Basically, um, we we go out with it. The only thing we don't almost do with it is bathe with it. We go out with it. We sleep with it. We eat with it. And what am I talking about today? Our power banks. They've become something I can almost term as our source of livelihood, because in essence they are actually indeed our source of livelihood, since most of the time, basically now, we make use of our phones to make money. So you always need your power banks to charge your phones or to charge your source of money. But today we are going to be looking at some of the negative effects of overcharging your power bank, or over using your power banks to charge your phones. All right, so the first thing charging your power bank with your phone excessively does is that it reduces the battery capacity. It reduces the battery life. What do I mean by this? Most batteries, most power banks are lithium power banks, and they have certain life cycles they go through. But by the time you overuse them, they end up going through these charge cycles much faster than they were made to, than was planned by the manufacturer. So in order to prevent this, it's important, as tech bros and tech sis, as people within this tech space, to know how to utilize our power banks much more effectively so that they will last longer for us and be more productive in what we have to do. Secondly, another thing it does is that it reduces the battery's capacity, the power bank's capacity rather. The power bank has a capacity, it has a number of charges that it's meant to store at a particular point. But constant usage, excessive usage, reduces its capacity over time. Over time. So it gets to a stage where your power bank, which is meant to charge your phone probably twice, or for some power banks, charge your phone, you should be able to charge it about 6 times from 0 to 100%. Such power banks end up charging your phone probably just once, and you are left wondering, what is really happening to my power bank? No, this is how my power bank used to last. My power bank can charge my phone for about 6 times. But now, after like buying it for a couple of months, you've not used it up to a year, your power bank ends up charging your phone just once, and you're asking yourself why. It's your fault, my brother. Simply because you excessively used the power bank. Thirdly, overheating. Excessive usage of your power bank could also cause overheating. Placing your power banks under high temperature, once it gets to a stage your power bank can't cope. Simply because these gadgets are designed to operate within a certain temperature. So once the temperature exceeds that limit, it becomes detrimental to the health of those gadgets. So it's important we understand this when utilizing our power banks. Basically, what I'm simply telling you today is, as much as the power bank is beneficial unto us, power banks are meant as an emergency source. They are meant to be used when the power supply is out. They are meant to be used when all else has failed. But we get so lazy as individuals. Some of us even end up while sleeping, simply because it's the easiest thing for you to do at that moment. You pick up your phone, there's still light, instead of you to go like a proper human, permit me to use the word, plug your phone and let it be. We instead choose to lie down and plug our power banks, plug our phones to our power banks. At the end of the day, our power banks get affected by it. So it's important to desist from such practices. Finally, overusage of our power banks while charging our phones could also pose safety risk. You say safety risks, you're surprised, right? Safety risks. What do I mean by this? Like I said earlier, overheating, short circuiting also could occur. And this short circuiting could get to a stage wherein the power bank malfunctions. And a malfunctioning power bank could at some in an high-risk situation cause a fire. And I'm so sure you do not want a fire in your home, right? So let's please practice safe practices. Let's ensure that from today, you tell yourself and you decide that my power bank will only be used in an emergency situation. I will take care of my power bank simply because, like I said in the beginning of the video, it's my source of livelihood, it's my source for which I make money. So I have to ensure that my power bank stays for a long period. I'm sure these few tips has helped you and has enlightened you to an extent. Thank you for listening.